Hey,
Hi,
so what's your name?
my name is Abby.
And what do you do at Dukunoo, Abby?
I'm a server here.
All right. And what's your favorite thing to order on the menu?
Oh, I have a lot. I have a few. Right now my favorite it changes. So right now my favorite thing to order is the jerk salmon.
Why do you love the jerk salmon so much?
I love salmon. I feel like it's flavorful. The jerk, it's amazing.
Okay. And so when your friends and family come to Dukunoo, what do you tell them to order?
I tell them to get the jerk chicken, anything jerk. The jerk experience is an amazing thing to get because you get the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, jerk lamb chops, and the jerk ribs in one. So you have the whole experience right there. The oxtail, the escovitch lobster, and the steamed fish.
Okay, sounds like you can't go wrong with the food,
You
right?
can, you can. I have a lot of favorites.
So what's the one thing nobody knows about Dukunoo that they should know?
We treat you like family. Whoever comes to that door, we treat you like family. We party with you. We recommend good food. We make sure to make your events special. Yeah,
All right, I love it. So at Dukunoo, you come for the food and do what?
stay for the vibes.